We're going to talk about the perimeters of similar figures. So when two figures are similar, the ratio of their perimeters is equal to the ratio of their corresponding side lengths. So the perimeter of ABC to perimeter of DEF is going to be the ratio of AB to DE, because AB and DE, they're corresponding. So AB to DE and AC2, which one is corresponding? DF. AC to DF. And we have, so BC to EF. So BC to EF. So if, for example, if the perimeter is 2 and 4 and 3, let's say we have a triangle of 2, 3, 4, and let's say the DEF, I'm going to double it for 8 and 6. So the triangle ABC and triangle DEF is similar, right? Because all the side lengths are proportional. So what is AB to DE? AB to DE is 2 to 4. And we have AC to DF, it's 4 to 8. And this black line, 3 to 6. All of them, the ratio is going to be 1 to 2. If they're all proportional, then you can say the two triangles are similar. So it's a 1 to 2. So the definition says that the perimeter of ABC to perimeter of DEF, it's also 1/2, 1 to 2. So let's just check. What's the perimeter of this red? It's 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 9. So this is a 9. So perimeter of ABC is 9. I'm going to put, perimeter of ABC, triangle ABC. This is 9. And I'm going to find perimeter of triangle DEF. So what is the perimeter of DEF? It's a 4 plus 6 plus 8, which is 18. So 18, if you simplify it, we see that it's going to be equal to 1/2, 1 to 2, right? So if you find the perimeter of ABC, if you know this ratio between the triangle of the side length, then you will get the ratio for a perimeter too. So let's look at the example. So we're looking for, find the ratio of the perimeter, now perimeter, but we see the perimeter and side length, they have same ratio, right? So ratios are same. The ratios are same, equal. So the side length between red and blue, it is 4 to 6. And we know that the side length ratio proportion is going to be equal to the perimeters ratio. So it's going to be 4 to 6. So if you simplify it, it's 2 to 3. All right, I need you to do it on your own question by yourself. The height of the figure A is 9 feet. So height of this similar figure, it says similar, you circle it. I need you to circle the word similar. So A is 9 feet, and B is 15 feet. And it says they are similar. So what's the perimeters ratio? It's still 9 to 15, which is 3 to 5. So if the question is asking about perimeter, like I showed you in the previous slide, then you just add all them up, then it's going to be same as the side length ratio. What about the areas? What about the areas? If I give you the conclusion about areas, so when two figures are similar, the ratio of their area is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side length. All right, so area of ABC, the ratio of area of ABC to the blue one, red to blue, it's going to be the area of, for example, like if this is 2 and 3, and I don't know the rest of them, but if they are similar, you can conclude that the ratio of the area between these two triangles is going to be 2 squared to 3 squared. So it's going to be 4 to 9. Let's look at the example and try to understand this. All right, so find the ratio of the areas of the similar figures. I need you to circle the word similar. So we know that these are similar. If two shapes are similar, you can compare the area right away. So the side length is 2 to 10. 6 to 10. So the side length ratio is 6 to 10, which is 3 to 5. So 3 to 5, this is going to be the perimeter, the ratio between the perimeter, the ratio of perimeters, right? But to find the area, ratio of the areas, and it's going to be you square them. So it's going to be 9 over 25. 9 over 25. So the base of triangle P is 8 meters. And then the base of a similar triangle, similar. So we have two triangles. So one of them is 8 and the other one is 7. So we know that they're similar. Triangle P and triangle Q, they're similar. So what's the ratio of the area? Area is going to be P, area of P to area of Q. It is 8 squared to 7 squared, which is 64 to 49. There's nothing to be simplified, so this is going to be the answer. All right, this is going to be your classwork. If you don't finish it, it's going to be your homework. I need you to label perimeter, ratio of the perimeter. I'm going to put red and blue. So I need everybody label perimeter R, red to perimeter blue. So you need to find it. An area of red to area of blue. And perimeter red to perimeter blue. Area red, area blue. And everything. Perimeter to perimeter B, and you should do area to area B. And for 7, perimeter R to perimeter blue, and area R to area blue. I need you to answer all the questions